In this video, I'm going to show you how to be a more resilient entrepreneur in 7 weeks without working harder. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, the best place for small business owners, entrepreneurs, and business managers to develop into poised, confident leaders. My name is Bernice Lee. I'm a coach and trainer who's taught over 3,000 business professionals coming from 23 countries. If you're new to this channel, click subscribe and the notification bell to know when I post new videos. All the links I mentioned can be found in the description box below. Be sure to stay until the end where I share a bonus resource. So let's dive in. When I teach business professionals about how to bounce back faster from setbacks at work, there are 2 frameworks that I teach. The one I'll share with you today is called the 4 Pillars, and it's something I teach in my program called Resilient Leader Secrets Masterclass. If you're not sure what resilience is and why it's important, be sure to check out the first video in this series by clicking here. The 4 Pillars of Resilience framework is simple and easy to use. It's powerful because it's backed by scientific research. In this video, I'm going to give an overview of the 4 Pillars framework. Then I'll go deeper into one of the pillars. Pillar number 1 includes strategies and practices that help you build your physical resilience. These include things like making sure you get enough quality sleep, regular exercise, and eating nutritious, wholesome food. Pillar number 2 includes strategies and practices that enable you to monitor your thoughts, be more aware of your emotions, and know how to tweak your negative thoughts into more positive ones. Pillar number 3 is about surrounding yourself with supportive people. I'm not just talking about people who like you or love you, although that's great and very important too, but people who have the appropriate skills and knowledge to truly help you when you need them. Pillar number 4 is about designing an environment that facilitates a calm, positive mindset. This can include your physical surroundings, your work schedule, and how you divide your time and attention between tasks. Now that you have a general understanding of the 4 pillars of resilience, now it's time to go deeper into one of those pillars. I'm going to talk to you about pillar number 1, physical strategies. This is one of my favorite topics to teach because it's foundational to everything else. Once you get your physical health in order, it's much easier and much more effective for you to incorporate other resilient strategies into your life. In this pillar, we talk about good quality sleep, regular exercise, and eating whole foods. I think these 3 elements are pretty common knowledge in the mainstream media, right? So I'm going to introduce a physiological technique that'll help you focus better and manage yourself in difficult situations, such as feeling overwhelmed by the volume of work that you have. That technique is breathing. In my program, Resilient Leader Secrets Masterclass, I reveal the science that underpins this exercise, and I show you how this breathing technique triggers something called the vagus nerve, which helps you relax. But for the purpose of keeping this video short, action-oriented, and results-focused, I'll show you the exercise right away. It's one of 8 breathing exercises that I teach in my program. So first off, you want to sit up straight, not too stiff, but straight and attentive. Now, start to breathe smoothly, counting your breaths. Count to note the duration of your in-breath. Your objective in this exercise is to make your inhalation longer than your inhalation, ideally about twice as long. So if it's a count of 2 for breathing in, 1, 2, then you should aim for an out count of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's a count of 3, 1, 2, 3, then aim for an out count of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. Do that nice and gently for 6 breaths. Don't push yourself, don't put yourself under pressure, don't become goal obsessed. Just breathe. Remember that the aim here is to keep the exhalation longer than the inhalation, ideally twice as long. Pause this video now and do that for 6 breaths. When you're done, press play. Welcome back. How do you feel? Participants in my classes typically report feeling lighter and more relaxed, so I hope you feel the same way now too. Was this breathing exercise difficult and hard to do? Did it take a lot of time? Chances are you're not too stressed out from it, and it probably took you less than 1 minute to complete. That's why the topic of this video is how to be a more resilient entrepreneur in 7 weeks without working harder, with the emphasis on without working harder. The strategies I teach are simple and easy to do. There's a common misconception that developing resilience is hard. It requires a lot of grit, a lot of perseverance, a lot of toughness, and a lot of effort. But it doesn't need to be that way. Certainly not the way I teach it. And who doesn't want to have better results with less effort? Now let's talk about developing your resilience in 7 weeks. Where did I come up with that number? Well, it's because that's how long my program is. The reason why I suggest 7 weeks to go on this resilience journey is because it is exactly that, a journey. It takes time to not only learn new strategies and activities, it takes time to implement them into your life. So here's the 7-week plan I suggest you follow. In weeks 1 and 2, start getting your physical health in order. Set a clear intention, strategy, and plan of action to sleep better, get regular exercise, and eat more wholesome food. Use the breathing exercises when you feel negative. When your physical well-being is on track, your body and brain will naturally cope better with stress. In weeks 3 and 4, start becoming more aware of your thoughts and emotions. I also encourage you to look into practicing mindfulness, which is scientifically proven to help you with regulating your emotions better. If you're new to the practice of mindfulness, use an app like Headspace or Calm, or go onto YouTube to search for free guided mindfulness exercises. In weeks 5 and 6, your focus will be on relationships in your life. Who can you turn to for good advice and guidance when you're struggling with someone or something at work? Are these people in your life helpful? Do they have coaching or mentoring skills? Are they good listeners? If you have wonderful people in your life who are good at these things, whether they're friends, colleagues, family members, mentors, or professional coaches like me, thank them for their contribution to you. If those relationships have gone dormant, then reactivate those relationships during these weeks. These relationships are gold, especially if you're a busy entrepreneur or executive who has neglected this area of your life. If after you've evaluated your right relationships, you discover that you don't have any people who fit the bill, then it's time to create a plan to meet new people or hire someone who can. In week 7, take a look at your working environment. Assess your office or workspace. Is it clean and tidy? Does it create a sense of calm and positivity in you? Think Marie Kondo. Do you need to declutter? Do you need to repaint the walls to freshen it up? What else can you do with your environment? Also in week 7, look at how you're managing your time and energy throughout the day. Are you arranging meetings back to back so you don't have time to go to the bathroom, eat lunch, or sleep? How well is your working style supporting your resilience? If it's not helping you, meaning that you're constantly tired and exhausted, what will you do to change that? So that's it, my friends, the blueprint to help you be a more resilient entrepreneur in 7 weeks without working harder. The key here is to take a structured, measured approach, and I guarantee you'll get results like the students who go through the Resilient Leader Secrets Masterclass with me. If you want to discover 3 more tips to help you build your resilience, check out the next video in this playlist. And since you stayed until this point in the video, I want to give you a bonus, which is a free resource about resilience. Check it out. The link is in the description box below. You can also discover more about my program by clicking the link in the description box below. Question of the day. What do you want to try doing to be a more resilient entrepreneur? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button to give me a like, smash the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon to be notified the next time I release new content. And leave your comments or questions below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.